family, welcome back to the channel. I got a Memphis Shades Del Ray that I'm installing here. The kit comes with literally everything, including the tool you need to install this. Here I'm installing the rubber grommets that go into the windshield. You can see the little Allen wrench it came with. The screws should be on the outside, front of the windshield. It was actually much easier to install this than the Amazon special fairing that I had for this. It blends in with the bike. It doesn't quite stand out as much as the Amazon special fairing I had before this, which is kind of nice. Here I'm just installing them and putting these screws in hand tight. And then here I'm tightening them up and just going in an alternating pattern. Here I'm installing the bracket clamps on the forks. And it says to install them 2 inches apart, the top and the bottom ones. But really, you kind of just have to install them and then keep adjusting them until everything gets centered. You can see I'm just crossing back and forth on the bike and moving them slightly every time to try and get everything to line up just right on it. I think this windshield looks pretty good on the bike. It's the smoked version. It's kind of low profile, which is good.